Hey Miata enthusiasts! Picture this, a 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata, revamped in stunning red onyx. We've taken this iconic roadster and given it a modern, futuristic twist. Excited? Let's dive in. First up, let's check out the exterior. This 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata isn't just about sleekness, it's about presence. We've gone for a wide body to give it a more muscular and commanding look. The aggressive stance ensures it looks ready to conquer any road. The red onyx color is simply breathtaking. It's deep, rich, and highlights the Miata's sleek curves, making sure it grabs attention wherever it goes. At the front, we've retained the classic large round headlights, but upgraded them with cutting-edge LED headlamps. This blend of classic and futuristic ensures top-notch visibility and a striking appearance. The grille has been reimagined to be bold and dynamic, adding to the car's aggressive front-end look. Swinging around to the back, the LED tail lights stretch across the width, creating a sleek, continuous light strip that adds to its modern appeal. The rear bumper is designed to be sporty and robust, featuring an integrated diffuser for improved aerodynamics and an aggressive finish. We've also added some functional hooks at both the front and rear. These aren't just for aesthetics, they add a touch of ruggedness and can be incredibly useful for various practical needs. Overall, the redesigned 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata in red onyx is a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge design. With its wide body, aggressive stance, and modern features, it's set to redefine the joy of driving a Miata. What do you think of this new look for the 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome car reviews and redesigns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.